Hello friends, how many of you like halwa? I'm sure all those who are from North India or from other parts of the country are fond of halwa, and especially the gajar halwa, dudhi halwa and other halwas. And combine it with ice cream and gulab jamun, it's fantastic dish to have it. But then in Indian economy, the halwa has a very important significance. On 16 July 24, a Halwa ceremony was held at the basement of the North Block, which houses the Finance Ministry, which started the budget printing, and it's an annual ritual which takes place every year. But then, do you know where it happens, why it happens, and what's the history behind it? Let's today dwell into this interesting fact of the budget making. This Halwa ceremony, as I said earlier, takes place at the basement of the North Block, which houses the Finance Ministry. It begins with the large kadhai having halwa being stirred by the Finance Minister. The also present are the other ministers, the deputy minister, the secretaries, and all the staff, more than 100 of them, who are involved in the making of the budget. So all these are there. After this ceremony, after the good sweet halwa is served by the Finance Minister to the secretary or the printing people, the ceremony begins. But then, why is this ceremony? What's its significance? This ceremony signifies the formal printing of the budget documents. All those rounds of consultations which Finance Minister and Ministry officials have done with various interested groups, be it businessmen, be it citizens, be it the various ministries, comes to a conclusion with the printing of the budget document. Of course, you and me come to know when the Finance Minister speaks in the Lok Sabha and announces the budget. With this ceremony, the staff which is involved is locked till the day Finance Minister reads out the complete budget in the Lok Sabha. This, as you know, in 1950, the budget is to be printed at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. In 1951, this budget printing shifted to the Minto Road in New Delhi, and it continued till 1980. By 1980, the Finance Ministry had made its own printing press at the basement of North Block. That is where from 1981 onwards, the printing started, and it continued till 2020 when the budget documents were digitalized. Today, no formal printing takes place except the certain mandatory copies. Rest all is digitalized and is available to the members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha simultaneously on their tabs which are provided in both the houses of the Parliament. Now, what's the history? Why this printing? Why this secrecy? Why this basement use? So let's go back to 1950. In 1950, when the first budget was being presented, the certain portions were leaked, and a lot of holla was there that favoritism is being done to certain industrial houses, due to which the Finance Minister John Mathai had to resign. And then, to ensure secrecy, this locking in of the staff involved with the printing of the budget documents started. This budget document printing was shifted to Minto Road, as I told you earlier. Then in 1951, for the first time, this Halwa ceremony commenced. Now halwa is a very good offering which we do to the gods and others when we start something good. So this halwa denotes kuch mitha ho jaye moment. Of course, this is not with the halwa but with the Cadbury ad which came few years back with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan in this thing. And let's hope that this halwa ceremony which has taken place on 16 July brings in certain good news to all of us. All of us are looking to this budget for various reasons, and let's hope we get it. Now, talking about the budget is due on 23rd July, and I hope to bring in another video before budget to tell you some interesting facts about the budget over the years. So keep tuned to the channel. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please like, subscribe and share. So till next video, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.